Welcome back, everyone. So we're going to do the maiden flight of the Cessna 172 today. Just wanted to go over quickly some of the changes that I made since the last one. So I added this really cool handle. It's just a giant zip tie. It goes through the two dowels that hold on the wing, so I can carry the fuselage around like that. I decided not to put the strut, the wing strut, on from the fuselage to the wing, just because I figured I probably would never be putting it on anyways when I go to fly it. Also, some people expressed some concerns about the length of the push rod here not being supported, so I 3D printed this little thing and glued it onto the tail so that the push rod won't move around so much. I also decided not to put the camera on the tail like my other planes, because this plane turned out looking so nice that I didn't want it to be on there. So instead I just put the my old Runcam 2 HD camera right over the CG, so it shouldn't affect the flight characteristics much. I took the battery out and it's just wired. There's a wire that goes through the wing that I'll plug into the fuselage, and it's just going to run right off the receiver's 5-volt supply. And other than that, it's the same as the last video, so we're going to maiden flight it now. Cool. Not bad.